Okay, here's a problem that came across my desk. What if I went on a road trip and I left at 5 a.m. and I returned at 9 p.m. on the same day, and the distance I covered was 356 miles each way? What would be my V bar, or average speed, we'll call it in this context? Okay. So let's understand that to calculate that, my average speed is equal to my total distance traveled over or divided by the total time I traveled. Now, of course, there were pit stops and I probably spent time at the destination, but that all becomes part of the average speed. The time that I spend going 0 miles per hour is still part of my average speed. So distance over time, as in miles per hour, is the unit of measure here. So let's break up that time a little bit in a way that makes it easier for me to understand anyway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert 12 o'clock noon. So here's my AM and my PM and 12 o'clock noon. And from 5 o'clock AM to 12 o'clock noon is 7 hours. And from 12 o'clock noon to 9 o'clock PM is 9 hours. And so my total time is 16 hours. Okay, let's talk about the distance. If I went 356 miles each way, meaning there and back, well, I just need to multiply it times 2 or add 2 of them together. Either way, I'll go ahead and add 2 of them together. 12, 11, 7. So that's 712 miles. Okay, in 16 hours. So let's divide or reduce. We could probably reduce, but I'll go ahead and divide and then reduce either way. Let's do 712 divided by 16. It's not going to go into 7. It'll go into 71. 4 times is 64 with a remainder of 7. Bring down the 2. And it'll go into 72. Let's see, is that also going to be 4 times? Is 64 with a remainder of what, 8? I think that's right. So I have 8 over 16ths, which reduces to, or simplifies to, 44 1/2 miles per hour. My distance, I should have labeled my units here. My distance was in miles. My time is in hours. So that's 44 and a half miles per hour average speed. Now, of course, that's a lot slower than I can drive on a freeway, but again, it includes the time that I spent standing still or not driving. So over the course of the entire trip, my average speed was 44 and a half miles per hour. If you have a math problem that you would like me to demonstrate, put it in the comments and I will. Hope that helps.